Yo, what is up guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a live trade using the Lux Algo trading bot. I had a lot of you guys reach out and want to see how the live trade goes, just to see if how accurate the algorithm works and everything. So that's what I'm going to do in today's video. So before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe, like if you guys haven't already. It helps the algorithm show my video to more people on YouTube. And also hit the bell notification icon so you guys know whenever I make a video. So with that being said, let's get on to the live trade. So getting onto the video, what I'm gonna do is I have my own exchange set up over here. So this is what I use to trade, and also I'm gonna be trading BTC, Bitcoin. I have about $500 or so in here. I'm gonna be trading on 10x leverage. So currently what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change my settings up in the algorithm to make it more sensitive, meaning I'll get more notifications when a signal comes, so I can make obviously a decent video for you guys. I don't want to wait hours before I get a signal, so I'm gonna make this a little sensitive so I get a signal more often. And when I get a signal, I'm actually gonna go into my exchange over here and make the order. So I'm gonna use a limit order, I'm gonna process the order, and you guys can see a real hand if it makes me money. So what I'm gonna do is actually just use the trading algorithm. So I'm not gonna use my own indicators, although it's best you guys do that. I usually never only go off what the indicator says. I usually do my own research on it, my own indicators, and see if this is worth trade getting into. So right now what I'm going to do is, also if you guys haven't already, they added a whole bunch of features you guys can add. They added trend lines, which is amazing. I'm going to be making a more in-depth video on that as well. It's automatic, it goes to any time frame that you want, which is a tremendous help. Support resistance, equalizer band, dashboard, and they added more different inputs you guys can do. So I'm going to make a more in-depth video about that, but for now what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust my sensitivity. So this is usually what I have it on. I change it, whenever I change my time frame or whatever it may be. But what I'm gonna do is, also I'm gonna be trading on the 5-minute time frame. Actually, I might do 3 minutes, just so we can get a signal faster. I'm gonna use these. I usually trade in the hours, sometimes even day. It depends on price movement. So I'm probably gonna stick with 3 minutes, and just so I can get a faster signal, what I'm gonna do is head over here and mess around with the settings. So I'm probably gonna skip this part. If not, I'll probably zoom it in, but Alright, so I changed my settings up. This is, I just did this quickly just so I can possibly get it. 4.65, 1.9433. And when doing this, I actually did get a buy signal right here. So actually, I think I'm just going to act on this right now and see how it goes. So I'm going to do 100% of whatever I have. So it would be 5,022, 10x. And let me just double check everything. 527. Obviously the price is going to be different here compared to TradingView because I'm using the Coinbase chart. They don't have a Phoenix chart right now. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a market order, so this can go through right away. So I'm going to hit buy. I'm going to edit my stop loss right after. So I am in right now. So this is unrealized P&L. It just says that currently it's 0. So I'm going to do a stop loss just in case, because you never know how volatile the market is. So stop loss I'm going to set at 11,000 because I'm going to do a test run. I am in right now. So looks like I got in at 11.45, and how this works is, as you can see, this is the price right now, but this is the mark price. So the mark price is usually delayed. Now this is just for me. If you guys are doing this for stocks, it will obviously not be like this. So what I'm going to do now is either let my computer run, or I'll come back in a little bit to see how this goes. So yeah, as you can see, I entered in right over here when I got the signal. I'm gonna wait on this and see how it goes. As you can see, I'm in the trade. I have everything in. I have my stop loss in, and usually here I just sit back and wait. Well, hopefully I am in green as soon as possible. If not, if I am low, I'm gonna sell. Obviously this is my own position, so I'll be back once I am in profit. Alright guys, it's been about 5 or 10 minutes. So I was in the green. I am back down now, but as you can see, if I sell at market, I'm up $2.38. I just wanted to show you that I am in the green now. Well, I'm not anymore, but just a quick update, I am on the green now, so I'm still gonna be waiting. Let's see how it goes. I'll be back in a little. Right, it's been like about 10 minutes now, and as you can see, I am up if I sell a market I am up about 3%, almost $13 on this trade. Now I know that's not a lot, but because I am trading on a 5-minute chart, I might honestly just sell here because of the fact that this is not what I usually do and is going against my trading ethics. So what I'm going to do is sell right here just so I show you guys. So this was third, so I'm going to close this at market close. So as you can see, I'm sure my thing went up. I don't know, after fees it probably didn't because I am trading on leverage. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys this was a live trade. So as you saw, I bought in like right over here when I got this indicator, and I sold right up here. So that was like a quick $13 I just made. Now if you do this multiple times a day, whether you're trading stocks, crypto, forex, that could be good money. And I think that was like almost 254%, 2.54% in like 10 minutes. Like let's say you're trading with more money, like as I said, I wasn't trading with as much because this was a test run for me. But let's say you're trading with more money, you could have had a higher return. And let's say you're doing it with options, that could have been even a higher return. So yeah, just wanted to make a quick video. I'll be making more videos on different settings I use and how you guys can utilize these different settings as well. But so far, like I said, this has been amazing for me. And if you guys are interested in using this, I'll leave the promo code in my bio. You guys can get 10% off if you use the code FA10. That's 10% off your first month. I'll also leave the link to how you guys can sign up for Lux Algo in the description below. But also, I just wanted to share with you guys, remember, this was just based off the indicators. I usually do my own due diligence before executing on a trade. Although this is giving me good returns, I don't solely base it off this because, it could go south. And always use a stop loss. As you saw, I used a stop loss in my case. But yeah, and test out the settings. You never know what settings are perfect for you. So once you have a good setting, put it over here. Maybe draw some lines, use some other indicators that you want. Like sometimes I use the VWAP indicator to see if it's trading in a certain pattern. But yeah, do your own research. Don't solely rely on this. Although they have multiple different things that they didn't have when they first started out. Like they have the trend lines, support, resistance. These are all amazing things you guys can use, because you can see over here you have your resistance levels, support levels. You can't see the trend lines because I am on a lower time frame. So if I go to the hour, you can see your trend lines coming in. You guys can trade off of this. So if I zoom in over here, it broke this trend line. As you can see, that's why it dropped all the way down here. Oh, I'm sorry, that's not trend line, that is the price level. So it broke this trend line over here, that's why you saw it drop all the way down here. So they have amazing stuff that you guys can use to make your trades more confident and make you more money. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, I'll also leave my email and my Instagram handle down below. Feel free to reach out. I mean, I've had plenty of you guys reach out and ask me questions after they buy it on different stuff, and I'm more than happy to help. So just DM me or email me and I'll be happy to help. But looks like I kind of sold at a good spot. It's back down at the bottom. But yeah, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys in any way. If you like this video in any way, I would truly appreciate if you can subscribe. I've seen that plenty of you are watching my videos but are not subscribed, so please subscribe to my videos. Also, if this has helped you in any way. But with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.